from Eli Egrant.
This? You mean this one?
That's my cookie. You don't know it.
Duh, this is your cookie?
You big fat liar.
No, this is mine.
Give it
Duh.
back to me.
No, because this is mine. I got this from my mama.
It's mine. Originally mine. Give
So
it
you
to
really
me.
want this cookie? Then get this if you can.
Ah, give it to I am not satisfied with the way you act, my dear. Fancy, fun, sweetheart. I've given you 4 days, I believe. How many days did I give you guys? 4 days is more than enough for you to prepare, right, Martina? Martina, did you hear me?
Yes, direct.
Yeah, I want to see something happy because it's the first time you see your friend Sophia. Yes, direct. I can do it. I can do it. I
Okay,
really
you're
have to do it.
posing.
No, I'm sure, my dear. I'm sure. I'm sure. I give you my name and my contact number. I'm sure. Okay. I won't need that. I won't need that. Guys, prepare. Like happy, yeah? Happy?
Happiness?
Happy.
Add some happiness?
Happiness. Okay, it's my turn. Give me that. Give me the happiness that I'm looking for. Hey! Light! You! Camera! I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. Light! Camera! Action! Hey, you! That's my cookie!
This is your cookie?
Give it back to me!
No, this is not your cookie. This is my cookie. No, 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 no. This is my cookie. No, no. I got this from my mom. I am not big fat liar. You are. You will get me. Direct.
Happy, right? You're happy with a very happy face? You said happy lang. Yeah, but not until the last part, Sophia. Oh my goodness. I don't know it. You're so I want to see something. What do you think, Grace? What do you want to see from them?
I cannot think, Director.
Never mind. You're my assistant, but you don't know how to think. I want to see something angry. Angry because he took your cookie, right? I think direct. So, show everyone the face of angry.
Agree.
Angry. Brenda. Yes, sir. Got it? Yes.
Direct. Angry like policy holder.
I think that. Upset policy holder, huh? So, show it to me, guys, okay? Okay, you guys are there. Camera. Where are you?
Yes.
Stay there, not here. Okay, light, camera, action. Yes.
Yes.
That's my cookie!
No, this is my cookie.
Give me my cookie! You fat big liar! That's my cookie!
No, this is mine. This is mine. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Hello, Patty! You like an animal to my animal. You know what an animal is? Change it! You're so manipulative! Because you don't know how to follow instructions. I told you, you didn't prepare for this, right? 4 days, this is enough. I want to see something different. Different such as, what do you think again, Grace? I believe it's action, don't you think? Action, huh? Okay, lights, camera, action!
Action?
Action!
What kind of action?
Action!
Action. Action.
Action!
Action. Okay. The
I
lights are
already shouted action, right?
Okay. One, lights, camera, and action!
That's my cookie.
This is your cookie? This is not your cookie.
That's my cookie.
So, you really wanna die, huh?
Yeah.
And,
You So, we're the only one left. Whose cookie is that?
this is really my
I
cookie.
believe that's my cookie.
No, this is mine because your cookie is salty.
No, my cookie's not salty.
Your cookie is sweet.
What?
Okay, so you really wanna die?
I want my cookie.
If you want this cookie, then get this if you can.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Ah!
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell.